Very good evening. So motivated. Good evening.
Good evening.
Isor ke dinabad diya se youth department laga behalf te ajrati launch synthesis variety show idu conduct gurubule program banai diya nishna apne kiman junbi isor laga mahima witness grupo nimide aigna jama kritishe sob kibi Jisu Krista morong salam bera apnyang ke janai ke se alo welcome Riyas Day. Kain kuncishe mendia Bible passage kita kuridibo. Bible passage itu kuridia bichide we ajarati program kini ga juligina jawle se uraidibo. Ina hoigina pastor ke tikina men pratana kura program kan sob manulaga hate ta itabi sob ke dibo parane ibi we ina brahe fulo koi dibo projector de nyange dekhai digina next ki hobale se ganjani bole koshish kurule Psalm number 108 Psalm number 108 verses 1 to 4 My heart, O God, is steadfast. I will sing and make music with all my soul. Awake, harp and lyre. I will awaken the dawn. I will praise you, Lord, among the nations. I will sing of you among the peoples. For great is your love, higher than the heavens. Your faithfulness reaches to the skies. Ido isor laga kotase. Ajarati program iliga follow kurigina time 5:30 p.m. Venue Police Baptist Church 9th NAP Badlian IR Saijang. Program sequence prelude and salutation. Invocation Reverend Kavi Ninu. Traditional fusion choir. 4 days late, the solo, Mrs. Katila. This is the day, women department. Ito bichire Kadula Adonai worship dance. Ekta solo. God's glory shines from the east. Solo by Miss Kadula. Hindi gana ita Tuj Sana Kui. Dwent, Mr. Wanshong, and Mr. Apam. To which the words of gratitude and benediction. Iniga program Ajarati Banai Ganase. Program Idu Kandak Gurubule, Pratana Kurigine Ahanishina. Department Allah Kalakambi, Sop Manu, Nijur Laga Best Digina, Ajarati Ituge Rukibo na Parigina, Amikan. Bishit time durigina practice kurigina aisde lorne akase aigina agakan amyan gumbi taratari dohigina last to dohigina kushibra isorge seva gurubole taga items ituman sokto hindi do hobo African laga gana do hobo ki de part lui taga ino sobi isorge seva kurina laga isorge seva gura worship Gana dance and sopi it was a lorde abian mon mili thagigina key items can present people say abian sopi taratari nobo jam aha ekjen ke disturb bole daga idon avoid kurigina last tak bole koshish kure na janai dia se idu program banade abian youth itia present station den na thaga bahar de thaga kan bi ajirati to ke witness bole ahabi manu bishya se moi bar khara do grupo idu garne program number 1 2 3 kan tinta sequence moi purai digina apni kan hi pala pali digina time boile bal hobo amian itia invocation Reverend Rukavi Yinu Taibara Pratana Kura Bichide Traditional Fusion Choir Takamara Time Boile Itu ko tong mga bichide 4 days late solo Mrs. Katila. Itu tinda items kan koi kia yang ke time dia stay.
So pula sudah never dia se nanti akan kantora variety show to organize ini. One sender orang tak kenal time bisi di ini aji kita kan. Perform pula se imam malu itu kerana bukan laga contribution ise especially among like youth department, Sunday school department, orang itu imam malu members ise so among like contribution dia kerana amal aja organize itu dia katakan orang pula se department so malu tak kenal laga variety show itu dan deh asyarakat pagi ini jabatan guna bahasa so logo dia amal tak kau di mana ini untuk berlangsung itu beri warna.